Hey there all you yarn lovers, here is my new design, a mushroom hat with a detachable bee, and I'm going to show you quick in this video how I made the stinger on it very sharp, very realistic and bee-like. As you can see here, this half-done bee is very sad. Its stinger is useless, so we are going to make it sharp by adding this fabric glue, fabric fusion. You can get it at pretty much any craft store. I like to call this the toothbrush technique. That's like the official technical term. So you put it on like if you're putting toothpaste just on the end. I probably put too much. You don't need that much. Honestly, a little dab is all you need. And I didn't have gloves, but people are probably going to cringe watching this because the internet is full of people who cringe at everything. And so, yeah, just give it a bunch of twists. I also purposely left it longer than I wanted. Once this dries, I then cut it down, to the size you want. It will dry and stay in position after you let it sit for a while. That is pretty much it. If you want the pattern for the entire hat with the bee, it is linked in the description. If you want to just make the bee, that's cool too, and that is also in the description. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and all those other things I'm supposed to say.